Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how XM Global works, how you can actually even deposit and trade and even withdraw. The whole process is you are going to get it over here. The only thing that you just have to do is actually to click the link in the description of this video, and you just get the link that is www.paper fleet, something just like that, and then it will just take you definitely right over in this place. So you are going to get every details that you're just going to know how to register. I remember there are two things over here. You can just be registering actually through the web, or you can just register through the XM app after clicking that link. So if you click that link with the XM app, after clicking the link in the description, you can either register on the app or website just like this. So I click the website. After clicking the website, then you have to fill your name over there. Then you just have to fill the info, all those personal things like email and your phone number. Then you just be filling them right over here. Then you just have to write all that. It's just very simple. Make sure that you provide the correct information on your personal things so that anytime maybe you are depositing, it will just be okay. Over here, I'm going to select the account as standard lot. Right over here, I'll be explaining. For those who maybe have been trending, they know what is this. But if you're a beginner, don't worry, just select a standard lot, okay, of one. Right over here, I'll be explaining that later. You can see you can select MT5 or MT4, the one that you just want, but I select MT5 so that I can be able to even trend crypto right there. Okay, the next step over here, personal details, you can select the date of birth, which is very interesting. Right over here, you can just select the year you were born, and all that it is just going to be displayed right over here. You can select the details where you're born, the city, the address over there, and also the next thing that you select over here is the currency that you want to be displayed on. Anytime maybe you just deposit, because you deposit from your local currency, I'll show you that. And then what you appear there is the currency over here. I select USD. Are you a citizen of US? No. So I just select no. If you're from US, then you can just select yes. Okay, I select the leverage of between 1 to 400, but if maybe your account is very small, you can select 1 to 200 or 1 to 100 over there. Okay, so remember, you can actually, this goes up to even a leverage of 1 to 1000. That is a very big advantage to the XM than all other platforms. Okay, so investors over here, you can answer all these questions that you are being asked over here. Okay, you can just provide something like these: investment, employment status, self-employed. If you are employed, you can just write over there the money that you earn, the occupations that you are in. Okay, all that you can just be answering over here, your net worthy and all that. So it will just be helping you maybe in one way or the other. Remember, there are a lot of bonuses in XM trend over here, and you'll be updated actually anytime you just have an account. That is the very important thing about the XM. It has a lot of advantage to the traders, even the cash bonus the moment actually you just deposit for the first time. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that trading knowledge. And you have trading knowledge, yes, you can say maybe in a financial, relative, professional, qualified, or education, both of above, all that you can just select over here. Make sure that you just call the correct of that. If you have trended OTC right over here and derivatives, you can just say over there. But if you have not, if you don't know what are those, then you can just follow what I'm putting right over here. It's just going to be very simple for you. You can just put all information that I'm just displaying right over here, because they are not that important, but you can just put them. The next thing that you just have to is account password. Make sure that you follow all those rules right over here, 10 15 characters, and so that you can have a strong password. And then I confirm that, I declare that one, and then I proceed. So make sure that you put a strong password and all that, then I confirm. Then after that, the process, then what will happen is that actually they have sent me a confirmation to my email, so that I can just confirm it is my email. The process is just very easy. So I'm going to my email right over here, and then I just click the link that you have sent me. Okay, so for verification, so I just click confirm address. After confirming this address over here, is just very simple right over here. Congratulations, and open. So the moment you click that, then you get your account ID, that is MT5 ID. You remember that will just be your ID that you just be using to log into MT4 and also to XM Global. So your account balance is now 0 right over there. The next thing that you just be waiting over here is now to go and verify your account. Verifying your account, you have to upload the documents over there, like the ID and all that. The next thing I'm going to do over here, proof of identity and ID. So what I'm going to do over here is upload my ID. I'm going to upload on ID side, you have to upload the front side of your ID. On the proof of location or proof of residence, don't upload anything, just upload the back of your ID. Anytime you use my link, then that is what you see. You don't need actually to upload the proof of residence in other document, just upload the back of your ID. So I'm going to upload the back of my ID just like this, and then it is just going to be approved right over here. So after doing that, then you click upload document. It's just very easy, just like this. So upload. So it's just uploading, and then after sometimes my account is actually going to be verified by XM team. So you can see document uploaded. It will just take for sometimes actually to be approved right over here. But what happens over here is that it actually just took like about 10 minutes for my account actually to just be approved. It did not take actually even 1 hour, or that just between 20 to 10 minutes. That just took my account actually to be approved right over here. I've actually forwarded this so that you can just find that. So my account has already been approved. The next thing I'm going to do over here at the XM, now I'm able now to trend. The next thing I'm going to show you is actually how to deposit using the FXPesa, and how actually to withdraw, and how to trend, how to link with the MT5 and all that. All those things are in this video, so you don't have actually to be worried. Make sure that you can just follow this step by step. So I'm going to log in using my details over there. So I'm going to log into XM. It's simple. So you just log into the account that actually you just created over here. Okay, I hope you are following this. So your account verification is actually pending. Okay, so let's just wait for the verification after 2 hours. Okay, after 24 hours, but this is not actually, it took 2 hours for my account to be verified. Sorry. Okay, I'll be coming after verification. Now my account, let's just check now after maybe 20 to 10 minutes of that. So my account has been verified. So what you just do next here is actually to link your account. So you get your account ID. Account ID is actually that you're given with the numbers. You see it over there. How to link it with the XM is very simple. Click up there on the left side and click manage account. Click, let me just show you. Just click here and then click manage account. Click that plus and then find XM Global. So this is simple. Click XM Global and then click limited. Log in your to MT52, the one there, MT5, then 2. Put your login. A login is your account ID that you were given, and then the password is your password that you used. Okay, remember the password that we placed and confirmed. And after that, then you can see this is your account. Duncan Kilemi, this is my name, and now that is when you know your account has now been linked. You can see my balance is 0. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to deposit to my XM. Remember, you can be using even the application to withdraw and deposit. So this is my XM. Let me just search it here. So let me use the application actually. So XM here. So I'm going to, my account has already been verified. You can see now. So yeah, verified. You can see that tick. That is one. You can see my balance is 0. So I'm going to deposit. And the moment you just go to the deposit, it will ask you where do you want to deposit, with the Visa, Nutella. There are various ways you can deposit over here on the XM, which is very simple. You click deposit on FXPesa, and remember you read all these rules so that you cannot be able to to have any problem, just make sure that you go through these rules, that you make sure that your main payment account is registered under the same name you provided when you are registering. You not receive full amount of deposit, because you'll be charged a little amount of money by FXPesa when you are depositing. All those things that you have to go them, so that you may all those questions. You'll get your XM account over there. Okay, very simple. So put the mobile number that you want to deposit from. So I put my mobile phone number right over here. Okay, so you just put it over here. How much USDT do you want to deposit? You can put in terms of Kenya shillings, because you to avoid depositing, to avoid actually that is changes of cents from M-Pesa. So you can put, I can want to deposit like 2,000 here. The minimum you can deposit is actually 550. That is below even $5. That is below $500. So I'm going to deposit 2,000 Kenya shillings, and I'll be given 14.93 USD. Okay, I'll be given that amount of money. So I click M-Pesa right here. So I wanted to show you how this process is easy. Actually, XM is the best, is good right here. Okay, now you click that, and then it will trigger your M-Pesa. All you just have to do is to put your pin over here. I placed my pin. After putting my pin, then the payment actually will just be processed. Look at this, my M-Pesa is actually here. So you are confirmed 2,000 sent to blah 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 blah. You see that, and then you just take me back, or you can just actually go back to XM, or you can go to your MT5. After linking, you can just go actually to MT5. Remember, MT5 MetaTrader 5, you can download it from the Play Store and then link it like this. So the reason actually they are appearing 22.4 is because I actually received a bonus, and you have to do something over here so that you can just claim that, so you can get that bonus. So you have to actually to be an active trader, maybe to reach some lot size before you receive that bonus, but it will be reflecting on your equity. Okay, that is very important. So you can just go all through this. So I was trying to withdraw. You can even withdraw any time you just want. Okay, but remember, the moment you just withdraw 14.93, it will not appear 2,000, because actually the M-Pesa charged you the transaction fee. It's obvious, some bobs, right? Okay, and the exchange rate is actually 1 to 131.30. That is the exchange rate right over here. So we will come to this after we have trended. Let me just go to the MT5 so that we can trend fast, and then I will just come to tell you the stories about the withdrawal and how easy it is. So what I'm going to do over here is actually go to my MT5 and place a trend. I just want to place a trend over here. You can choose. If you trend, you can see the balance here is $14.93, but the equity is actually 22.40. So that means that you can use this money. If you have that equity, that means you can trade. Even if maybe you go to a negative margin, then you can, it will just be helping you actually to have that balance. It will just help you, so you can delete, remove all the currencies that you don't want over here, and then you can just have the pairs that you just want, because of these pairs that have a very high spread. So you can just remove these pairs and trade the pairs. Like let's trend Euro USD right over here, and we trend a lot size of 0.01, and then I click sell, and the moment I click sell over here, you can see actually the lots, the spread actually was 17 point, that is 1.7 pip. Okay, so that's very small, 1 pip. It was just 1 pip for me to trend, just 1 pip. Okay, so they are being given a credit of 7, so you can close anytime you just want. But remember, we are testing this, so that means now I'm on the trend, I can trade. The next thing that you can just do, I'm going to remove all these useless pairs, and I hand the pairs of my choice. I'm going to hand the pairs of my choice that have very small spread. Okay, so I'm just click the pen right here, and then I click delete button, and then I remove all these pairs. I just want to have the pairs that are actually trend, something like gold and foreign currencies that I trend. Okay, so I'm going to be left with gold and Euro USD, and I can hand something like Hound card, I can hand like Gold USD, I can hand GBP USD. You can hand all the pairs that you just want over here. Actually, you can even hand crypto. If you just want to trend Bitcoin, you can hand BTC there, and then you can actually trend out over here. But remember, I'm just showing you how this works. So you can see these spreads are very nice. The spreads are very cool because you can trend a pip of 1.0. You see, those pips are very nice, very fair pips, very fair spreads over there that the XM is just providing. Okay, so I've closed. So I'm going to click withdraw so that you can just withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw the money right over here because I've trended that. I will trend and you withdraw. So I'm going to click withdraw right over here, and I'm actually going to withdraw 14.8 $14.80. So I'll leave some few coins right there. So I've drawn, so, and you can see after some minute I received the money, that is 1,944. So that's how easy to trade on XM and deposit and withdraw from the registration to the withdrawal process and trading. See you next time. Use the link in the description. See you next time. Bye bye.